What I can tell you is Clutter Clarity is powered by Mr. Floor. Mr. Floor cleaning products are all non-toxic and environmentally safe, and you can learn more at MrFloor.com. All yours, Robbie.
I know. I'm sorry. I was double checking some of the talk about that roofing problem the guy had.
Yeah.
And he said, I said 33 square, and he said it's 300 square.
No. 300 square feet.
I don't know. Now
that would be 3 squares.
Discombobulated.
Yeah.
Rich can figure it out.
A square is 100 square feet.
Yeah.
So 300 square feet is 3 squares. Done. Go on.
Go. Move.
Okay.
Next.
So anyway, hi. Welcome to Clutter Clarity. I posted this cute little thing on Facebook this week. You know how we always get those return mail address, those little stickers?
Yeah, I use them all the time.
How often?
I always run out of them. I never have enough. Right now I'm out. I don't have any.
How is that possible?
Because I'm old school. I actually pay my bills through the post office. I write a check and then I stick it in an envelope. And then I take that envelope and then I put it in the mail with a stamp on it.
Well, if you have basic cable, online bill pay probably takes forever.
So I use that little sticker instead of having to write my return address on. I use that on all the bills. So I go through 8 or 10 a month.
Can't you just print them like normal people?
No.
You buy that, you print them.
Oh yeah, no. See, I don't. That would take an effort.
Even if you used 8 or 10 a month.
I always run out.
People have hundreds. Hundreds.
Custom-made envelopes.
It makes me crazy because, okay, so obviously they're not using them if they have hundreds. You're using them and you're running out.
Yeah.
But I find them all over the place. And people are like, oh, no, save those. Hold on to those. Clutter versus writing your name and address, which would take 60 seconds.
Yeah, but it's over and over and over again,
Not for most people. I mean, for you, it's different because you do pay yours. But most people don't use them. They just hoard them.
Right. If I was paying
Get a
online.
rubber stamp.
Yeah. Oh, I have thought about getting a rubber stamp. Yeah, I have thought about that.
The self-inking kind. And
yes.
Okay, now I'm writing that down. Christmas gift for Ron. Christmas gift rubber stamp. So what would it be like?
My address.
Boss and Mr. Cowgill.
I don't even put that other. When I have to write it, I just put the address. I don't even put my name on it. I just write the address.
Really?
And I don't even put my home address. I put my office address.
So, really?
Yes.
Okay.
I don't put my home address on anything.
Address. Okay, I'm writing that down.
If you listen to the boss, it's because I spend more time at the office than I do at home.
You do. You do.
Yeah.
So speaking of the return address label stickers, what it's taking up is valuable real estate.
Huh?
Valuable real estate in your home. So I went to a home yesterday, and this happens. What? I can't see it. I'm trying to do a radio show here, and you're distracting me, and you're posting things that people can't see. It's just rude, Randall. Randall, it's just rude.
On the Facebook.
Anyway, so a lot of times people will pack everything up, and then they'll move, and they'll just throw it in places because they can't deal with it.
Sure.
And it'll be days, weeks, months, years before they get to it. So then they call me, and I'll go through something like a linen closet, and I'll pull things out. And
Is John in there? Sorry, go ahead.
John Lennon?
Yeah.
Linen.
Oh, linen. Sorry. Go ahead.
Oh, I don't even know why I bother. And then he's going to post this. So people have just shoved stuff in so much, and they're like, I'm so embarrassed. It's so crowded. It's not that it's crowded. It's that there are things in there that don't belong. For example, pull things out and expired medicine in the linen closet. I found a T-shirt that doesn't even belong in the linen closet.
Unless it was being used for like a wash rag.
No.
Or dusting.
Yeah.
I don't even know why people just shove things in places just to get it out of the way.
Because companies coming over.
Companies coming over and put it in there.
Right.
Okay, so 2 linen closets I did this week.
Uh-huh.
And the one linen closet, we're going to use it for all the serving platters and dishes because it's the only place I'd have enough room. So I had to go through the whole house and go, look, in the kitchen, here's a serving platter. In the pantry, here's a serving platter. This serving platter wasn't even unboxed yet. Here in the linen closet, we have the serving platters. So
It's good you
first
don't
of
have to
all,
wash it then.
collect everything that you have and put it in one place. So we take everything out, start putting things back, and then we have all these beautiful serving platters. We also have vases and pitchers.
Or a vase.
Vase. We also have vases and pitchers, and that's what we're keeping in the linen closet because that's where they
You know
have
what a vase
the
is?
room.
What's a vase?
It's a vase over $35.
And then I pull out all those aluminum foil little dishes, like if you're going to bake a cake or something to take it to like a cake sale or something, you don't want your dish back, you put it in the little aluminum foil thing, and then they have the little plastic lids, and there's all those aluminum foil things.
Yeah,
And
those go on top of the cabinet.
They don't go anywhere. They go away because you're just saving them. Sometimes they're used. They're $1 at the dollar store.
Uh-huh.
So you're wasting valuable real estate in your linen closet by using all the
But it's a linen closet.
space.
What?
Well, I should say linen closet. Now we're using it as a storage
It's a
area.
pantry.
As a pantry.
Okay.
For all of their serving bowls and dishes, and again the vases and stuff.
Vases?
So take that out because you could use that space for better things. So at the end, that's what I did to the lady. I said, you're going to have to make some tough decisions. She goes, oh, but I use those and I love those. How often do you use them? Maybe once a year.
Mm-hmm.
No. So at the end, I showed her, I said, look at all
I've got some on the cabinet that's been there for 3 years.
Get rid of it. So I said, now look at your space. Look, everything is organized. All of your serving dishes, you could easily pull them out. Do you really want to stick back this big bundle of mismatched aluminum things? No. They went away. They're recycled. Think about the real estate you have and the best uses for your things.
This
Thank
is
you.
Mighty House. Mighty House will return